Welcome, fantastic viewers, to Tutoroo's English Learning Channel, your ultimate destination for knowledge and inspiration in all things English. In today's video, we're delving into the realm of advanced business vocabulary, perfect for those operating at C1, Advanced or C2, proficiency levels. We have structured this video in two parts, so you can understand and assimilate the knowledge learned here better. Whether you're at an advanced English level or simply curious, you're in for a treat. So, stay tuned and let's dive into the enriching world of advanced, top 20, business English vocabulary and phrases. Part 1. Number 20, we have profit margin. Profit margin is a vital metric for businesses, indicating the efficiency and profitability of their operations. It represents the percentage of revenue that exceeds the costs associated with producing goods or services. A healthy profit margin signifies that a company is effectively managing its costs while generating sufficient revenue, ultimately contributing to its financial stability and growth. It's calculated by dividing net income by revenue and multiplying by 100 to get the percentage. Coming up on number 19, we have break-even point. The break-even point is a crucial concept in business, representing the level of sales at which a company neither makes a profit nor incurs a loss. It's the point where total revenue equals total costs, encompassing both fixed and variable expenses. Understanding the break-even point helps businesses assess their financial viability and set sales targets to achieve profitability. Number 18, market segmentation. Market segmentation involves dividing a heterogeneous market into smaller, homogeneous segments based on shared characteristics, needs, or behaviors. By segmenting the market, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies, products, and services to better meet the diverse needs of specific customer groups. This targeted approach allows companies to optimize their marketing efforts, enhance customer satisfaction, and gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. Number 17, supply chain management. Supply chain management encompasses the planning, coordination, and optimization of the flow of goods, services, and information from suppliers to customers. It involves various activities, such as procurement, production, logistics, and distribution, aimed at ensuring the timely delivery of products or services while minimizing costs and maximizing efficiency. Effective supply chain management is essential for businesses to meet customer demand, reduce lead times, manage inventory levels, and mitigate risks. Coming up on number 16, we have key performance indicators, KPIs. Key performance indicators are quantifiable metrics used to evaluate the success or performance of an organization, project, or individual against predefined goals or objectives. KPIs provide valuable insights into various aspects of business operations, such as sales performance, customer satisfaction, financial health, and operational efficiency. By tracking KPIs, businesses can identify areas for improvement, monitor progress towards goals, and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and success. On number 15 we have customer retention. Customer retention refers to a company's capability to keep its existing customers engaged and loyal over a specific period, typically measured by the customer churn rate. Customer churn rate indicates the percentage of customers who stop doing business with a company within a given time frame. High customer retention rates are indicative of satisfied customers who continue to support the company's products or services, contributing to long-term profitability and sustainable growth. Number 14, value proposition. The value proposition represents the unique benefit or value that a product or service offers to its customers, setting it apart from competitors in the market. It encompasses the key reasons why customers should choose a particular product or service over alternatives available in the market. A strong value proposition addresses the specific needs, desires, or pain points of the target audience, clearly articulating the benefits and advantages they can expect to gain. Number 13, cash flow. Cash flow refers to the net amount of cash and cash equivalents that flow in and out of a business over a specific period. It's a vital financial metric that indicates the liquidity and financial health of a company, reflecting its ability to meet short-term obligations, such as paying bills, salaries, and suppliers. Positive cash flow occurs when the incoming cash exceeds the outgoing cash, indicating a healthy financial position. Conversely, negative cash flow occurs when the outgoing cash surpasses the incoming cash, potentially signaling financial difficulties or liquidity constraints. On number 12 we have ROI, or return on investment. ROI is a financial metric used to evaluate the profitability of an investment relative to its cost. It measures the return generated from an investment compared to the initial investment amount, typically expressed as a percentage. A higher ROI indicates that the investment has been profitable, yielding positive returns, while a lower ROI suggests that the investment has not been as lucrative. Coming up on number 11 and the last expression from today's video, we have business to business, or B2B. B2B refers to business transactions, where goods or services are exchanged between two or more businesses rather than between a business and individual consumers. These transactions occur along the supply chain, involving manufacturers, wholesalers, distributors, and retailers, among others. B2B transactions often involve larger volumes and higher order values compared to business to consumer, B2C, transactions. And just like this, we have presented you with the first 10 business English expressions and phrases, part 1. We recommend you to start learning them now, before the second part of the video comes up. If you want to understand how businesses operate and what language investors use, this video is a must. Also, if you liked today's video, don't forget to let us know in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to other advanced or proficient English learners. Happy learning!